In this question, you must show all stages of your working. Solutions relying on calculator technology are not acceptable. So you must have to show all the workings. The question is saying a curve has equation. This is a given equation for the question. The points P and Q lie on the curve. The gradient of the curve at both the points P and Q is 2. Find the x coordinate of P and Q. Now, it is given that the gradient of the curve at point P and Q is 2. And how do we take the gradient? Gradient is always taken by finding the dy over dx. The point we put in dy over dx and then we can get the gradient. So right now it is given the gradient is 2. It means at these points, at point P and at point Q, your dy over dx it is given is equal to 2. That is given here. It is equal to 2. So using that one, we will solve it and we'll find the coordinates of point P and point Q. So first find dy over dx. So what is dy over dx? That is very simple case. 3 into 5 x to the power 4. Using power rule, then plus 4, 3 x to the power, 1 less power, and then minus 1. So for 5 it is 0. So what dy over dx here will become 15 x to the power 4 plus 12 x square minus 1. That is our dy over dx. And it is given it is equal to 2. So use this one. It means you can say here that 15 x to the power 4 plus 12 x square minus 1 is equal to 2. Shift 2 on the other side, it will be 15 x to the power 4 plus 12 x square minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. So we will have from here 15 x to the power 4 plus 12 x square minus 3 is equal to 0. Now this is a degree 4 equation. And remember, already while doing the coursework, you know very well, if we have an equation of this type, a x to the power 4 plus bx square plus c or minus c or whatever equal to 0, then how we will solve this equation, this type of the equation, we will say let x square is equal to y and then take the square on both sides. So x power 4 will become y square. So same substitution we will do here. Remember always, if you have an equation of this type, so you will convert it first into quadratic and then we'll solve that quadratic. So let's solve it now, because ultimately we have to find the value of x. And this is a degree 4 equation. So what I will do, I will say, I will do this substitution, let x square is equal to y, and then x power 4 will become y square. So what it will become? It will become 15y square plus 12y minus 3 is equal to 0. So look, degree 4 equation, we converted into degree 2 equation. Mean now it has been converted into a quadratic equation. So now to solve the quadratic, we know very well, we can use the quadratic formula, we can factorize, that is your choice, entirely whatever you want to do. So I'm going to use the quadratic formula. Here a is equal to 15, b is equal to 12, and c is equal to minus 3. So this is quadratic in y. When I will solve it, I will get y is equal to now minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So what we will get from here? We will get y is equal to minus 12 plus minus square root of 12 square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2a. Let's first simplify the square root part. 12 square minus 4 into 15 into minus 3. So that is 18. So we will have from here y is equal to, that is going to be y is equal to minus 12 plus 18 plus minus, divided by 30. So the two values of y that we will get here are, one value is y is equal to minus 12 plus 18 over 30, and the other value of the y will be minus 12 minus 18 over 30. So in that case, it will become 6 over 30, which is 1 over 5. And in this case, it will become minus 30 over 30, that is equal to minus 1. So we got the two values of y. One value of y is 1 over 5 and the other value of y is minus 1. So use these values here in the substitution where we did, so we can get the value of x. So let's solve that one. Is there any precondition? No, that's not any other precondition. So I will have here, in that case, it will be for y is equal to 1 over 5, then x square will be equal to 1 over 5. So take the square root on both sides. So I will have x is equal to plus minus 1 over square root of 5. In the same way, if this y is equal to minus 1, I will put, so x square will become equal to minus 1. So that is impossible. A square term can never be minus 1. So it is impossible. So it means the two values of x that we are having is 1 over square root of 5. Sorry, 5 is not 2. 1 over square root of 5. And the other value of x is minus 1 over square root of 5. So that are the x coordinate of the 2 points P and Q that we were asked. Just the question was saying that find the x coordinate of P and Q. One of them you can say P, the other one you can say Q, because both of these points will lie on this one. And you want to verify that it is correct. In this one, put the values and check, you will get dy over dx equal to 2. Other thing you can verify using the calculator when you solve this equation, degree 4 equation. No, this calculator is just quoting till degree 3. Unfortunately, I'm not having degree 4 equation here. So that's why I just you can verify that one. Simple basic calculations